So let's talk about the project details. So the project's title is Sentiment Analysis and Topic Modeling in Financial News Headlines. Okay, so this is a project's title and the requirement is as follows. Okay, so this is a description of the data. On the top we have the data set we are using, Financial Phrase Bank. This contains sentiment of the financial news headlines from the perspective of retail investor. The dataset contains two columns, sentiment and the news headline. Okay, so based on the news headlines, we are detecting or we are analyzing the sentiment of the data. Okay, so it may be sentiment may be negative or positive or neutral. So the basic task involve, okay, perform EDA, okay, necessary pre-processing step in the data. Using the LDA algorithm, create topics, okay, for corpus, okay, use news headline columns, compute the coherence score and the print the topic extracted, visualize the topic, and finally plot the dependency parser for any two random sentences from the entire corpus of the dataset and that have at least 10 words in the sentences. Make sure that dependency parser look good and should be visual understandable. So this one we have sentiment analysis project. This is the basic task we have to do. Okay, so this is a very simple task. So maybe also you can explore more about this thing you are working, but this is a small requirement, and based on this requirement you can do analytics. So maybe you will it will improve or maybe solidify your understanding. Okay, so let's discuss the solutions approach, how we have achieved and what was our approach. Okay, so the data set used. So the data set used in this project consists of headlines and their associated sentiment. It contains total 4846 record. Okay, this one basic data informations. The data is loaded into Panda data frame to analyze its structure. So it comprises two columns. Okay, sentiment, first one, sentiment that indicate the sentiment associated with each headline. It might be neutral, negative, positive, and the second was the news headings. Okay, so contain the textual data. Okay, contain the text of the headline. Fine. Data pre-processing we have used. We have performed this text extractions or text data for analysis. Tokenization using NLTK word tokenizer. Removal of stop word to filter out common words that do not carry any significant meaning. Cleaning the words data by removing non-alphabetic characters. Okay, so because that was not needed. Feature selections, we focus on news headline columns as our main features for analysis. Word cloud visualization is utilized to understand the most frequently used word in the different most frequent word in different sentiment category. Okay, testing and training, we split the data set into subset of testing and training purpose. Exploratory data analysis technique are employed to understand the distribution of the sentiment in dataset. So we have implemented latent result allocations, so in short called LDA, a topic modeling algorithm to identify topic within the text data. LDA model is trained on the pre-processed corpus to extract topic and their associated keyword. Evaluation used coherence score is calculated to evaluate the coherence of the topics generated by LDA model. A higher coherence score indicates that better defined topics. Okay, so a screenshot of output. Okay, so you can see here visualize such as what are the visualization you can use. Word count, word cloud for positive sentiments, topic distribution, and the dependency parse tree as showcased. We leverage tool like PY LDA Wish to interact visual for topic modeling result. Dependency parse tree are generated using a special library. Okay, so this was our data. Okay, so sentiment, news headlines and clean data. So these are our plot, distribution plot. Okay, so this is neutral, so this many data, total count of neutral is many, negative is small and positive is more than the negative. So this is our, sorry, it's a word cloud, not world cloud. Okay, so word cloud. So coherence score we have achieved 76%. Okay, and this was our topic modeling visualizations. Okay,